I would love to understand. Okay, in India now there are a lot more new themes that have come in, like data centers, green hydrogen, hydrogen fuel, electric vehicle or electrification is a big theme. और कई themes जो पहले थी but they never came to the fore. जैसे railways हुई, which a lot of marquee investors have got into after ignoring them for the 10-15 years, so on and so forth. So where is it that you currently feel, which themes are the places or which pockets where you currently feel कि यहां से सिक्स मारने का बेस्ट पॉसिबिलिटी है फ्रॉम अ लॉन्ग टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव?
You see, in this market, I think there are so many ideas, but you have limited capital, whether you have 1,000 crore or you have 2,000 crore, even 200,000 crore. According to the market size, your money is always lesser than the ideas you can explore in this market. So far, all these ITs and new age technologies are concerned. I have never invested in that, in those companies, the new age technologies so far. And defense, I had invested in Hindustan Aeronautics 2 years back, but I exited somehow. So far, this green hydrogen and other sector which you mentioned, so I haven't bought any shares so far. Of course, I am watching all those, all these sectors, because there is a quote of mine that stay invested in a sunrise sector and stay out of a sunset sector at any cost. So according to those principles, all these sectors are always there in my mind, on my radar, but I haven't bought. But of course, I have bought, like I am invested in, I think that the capex theory in India has just started. Okay, this we had been waiting for last 2, 3 or maybe 4 years. कि अभी चालू होगा, लेकिन एक दिन तो भेड़िया आता ही है ना. So this is what I think, and all this infrastructure, manufacturing or capex, whatever you call it, the story has begun. And in that sector, I have invested in 2 companies. And I am happy with that as it is. I don't have any money. Even if I find some new idea, I have to sell my old stocks, old ideas and invest in new. So I generally don't do that. So I'm happy with whatever I am having.
Any reason why, I mean, if you can share, I don't want to ask you something that you can't share, but is there a reason why you maybe got out of a premier defense stock? Was it valuations? Was it something else? Did you need the money for a better idea? What was it?
No, as I told you, I have a habit, I have a bad habit. And the habit is that until unless I buy at least 1% of a company, I can't hold the shares for long term. So it could be bad or good, I don't know, but I am happy with that. That makes me feel that I'm committed to the company. You know, if I am having 2-3% of a company, it makes me feel that I'm committed. And if I am having some 1/4% or 0.5% and all, so those I keep like a reserve. You can say that whenever I will get some good idea, I will sell the shares. In this process, I may go wrong also. Like Hindustan Aeronautics gave a handsome return even after I sold. But that is okay, yeah.